Hello and welcome back to my channel. It is carrot cake day. Let's go ahead and celebrate that. I don't know about you, but I love carrot cake. I love the frosting. I love the carrots. I could live without the raisins, but if you like the raisins, eat the raisins. When I make carrot cake, I do not add raisins, but you know what? I like craisins. We could do craisins. So what I'm doing here is just putting down a very thin layer of polygel, and this is by Vrenmol. It's a very sort of milky yellow color. I really dig it, and I thought it would be perfect because it's kind of the same color as the cream cheese frosting, right? Because cream cheese and butter mixed together to make sort of a creamy sort of looking frosting, and I thought this might work for that. So I'm just laying it down in a very thin layer. Guys, if I sound a little off today, it's because I am. I got my booster yesterday, and Rona booster is making me feel a little bit wonky today. Not horrible, not like when I got the first initial shot, but a little wonky. I definitely had a fever when I got up this morning. I took some Aleve. What I'm using is the little spatula thing that comes on the polygel brushes, and I'm just putting some lines down that. And you know when sometimes you get a carrot cake and instead of just frosting it with a knife, they pipe it on? I kind of thought it would look like that. And I kind of think it does. So I left it like that. I really dig it. I think it gives it kind of a weird rustic sort of look. So, and I'm not going to fill that in. So if you guys are not a fan of the lumpy bumpy, you are not going to like this set. But it's very simple. It's shiny. It's pretty. And you'll see what I mean in a minute. We're going to do 2 nails that have the frosting look on it, and the other 3 nails, well, you'll see in a minute. So what I'm doing here for the frosting, these are for the frosting nails, I'm just making some little carrot shapes, right? That's a pretty simple shape to make. It's just, you know, almost like a long teardrop sort of shape. And one of the frosting nails is the pinky nail, so I'm making this one a tiny bit smaller. And then you're going to cure that. And do make sure that you flip it over and cure the underside as well, because this polygel is not completely opaque. So there is going to be a little bit underneath that's not completely cured. So let's go ahead and do one more frosting nail. It's going to be super cute. I think they're super cute. But I'm also a little bit... It's a simple set. It's shiny and it's a lot at the same time, but there's not a ton of art to it. So I feel a little bit like insecure about it, you know, for the channel. But I really love the set, and I think it's so pretty, and I think it totally represents Carrot Cake Day. So I almost scrapped it and did a quick short and said, guys, I don't feel good, no video today, but you know what? I'm not gonna give in to that feeling. That feeling is not helpful to you if you're a person who's trying to push through barriers inside themselves, which is what I'm working on really a lot. And you know what's funny? Can you see? There's one of my my dog's hair is in there. One of my dog's hair is in there. A piece of his hair. Oh, guys, I really cannot talk. So I'm going to re-smooth this out, and then we're going to go ahead and make our little lines. This one, the lines came out a tiny bit wonky, but I almost smoothed it out, and then I thought, you know what, I kind of like it. It's kind of cute, so I left it. And you can see right here, I'm just getting a little too close to that first line that I made. So it's like one of the piping of the frosting is a little tiny bit too skinny. I'm just going to be okay with it. I left it. It's fine. I like it. I'm not mad at it anyway. How about that? So we're going to cure this. And of course, it's a full cure on all these. And I'm a little hit and miss on writing cure out right now. And I'm sorry about that, you guys. I'm just really not with it today. So to make these look like carrots, of course, we need some orange polish. And I didn't have a color I really loved. So I mixed one up. I wanted them to be really bright because I just did, you know. There's all different colors of carrots. So I just decided to make mine really bright. Did you guys know there are purple carrots, like actually purple carrots? I think that's so cool. And I actually had some purple potatoes recently. That is so neat. They did taste a little different. I will say that. I'm not sure what it is that makes it taste a little different, but it wasn't unpleasant. I didn't dislike it. And I'm not even sure that it actually did taste different. Different, or if I just thought it tasted different because it looked different. I'm going to have to try them again and see how I like them, because I like to try new foods. I like to try new flavors. It's super, super fun. So I am putting on the frosting ones. I'm going to go ahead and do a matte top coat. Frosting isn't super shiny, so I decided matte would look better. And with a tiny dollop of builder gel, I am going to go ahead and add our carrots. I know that you didn't see me paint the full carrots, but you saw part of it, and I'm sorry. When I realized that I screwed up the edit, I'm tired and I cannot go back and find it. I'm really sorry. Thank you for understanding. You guys are the best. So we're just going to sugar the rest of these. I think that this glitter looks as close to carrot cake color as you can get. And I think it looks gorgeous. So I think this is really one of the only occasions that you could use this glitter outside of a fall setting. And so that's why I decided this was the color for the nails. This is the finished set. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. There are not going to be any reveal shots. I'm sorry. I love you guys to pieces. I'm going to shoot for some reveal shots for Instagram later. We will see you on Friday when I feel better. Bye-bye.